Hey folks, it warmed up a little bit today. Temperatures did make it back into the mid-50s in most areas. 58 in Edinburgh right now, that in Rio Grande City, the warm spots. 53 in Port Isabel. Cloud cover is still here. It's not exactly breaking, and we didn't really expect it to, but we may see some thinning of the clouds late tomorrow, and then we should see some sunshine by the time we get to Saturday, and maybe a little leftover on Sunday as well. Overnight lows, this is about as chilly as it can get. A lot of places may not drop below 50. This is kind of the bottom end. Places staying close to 50 regardless, within a degree or two. And then tomorrow, upper 60s. That's going to feel really comfortable after yesterday's 40s late in the afternoon. I was out earlier today and it was just, it was 55 and it felt like it was 70 just because it was such a warm up from what we saw yesterday. Now take a look. 73 is a normal high. We'll get back to 67 tomorrow, so not far from normal. Saturday we're up at 83, and then Sunday we warm up till the front gets here. We could reach the upper 70s, but then temperatures will cool off as that front slides through the valley once again. Doppler's been much quieter today. We've seen some sprinkles, but not much more than that. If you needed the windshield wipers for more than about 10 seconds, then you were in the biggest shower we had. The stuff that went through northern Starr County, northern Hidalgo County, moving on out. The rest of the day has been pretty quiet, although cloudy. Chilly conditions will continue tonight into early tomorrow, and then as the day goes on tomorrow, we'll warm up a little bit, again, back into the 60s. Can't rule out a brief shower again tomorrow, but like today, it's a mainly dry day, just isolated stuff, not much more than about a 20% probability. On Saturday, look at this, sun comes back out. Southerly wind kicks in. Once that wind comes up out of the south, that's a warm flow. That breaks up the clouds. That gives us sunshine. That whole combination allows temperatures to warm back up into the 80s again. Sunday, we start with some sunshine perhaps, but then the front. Now, this model stops at 11 a.m., but to the north of us, there's another front due in midday or so. Again, our high temperature will be determined by how late the front comes in. The earlier it comes, obviously, it'll put a lid on temperatures, but before the front, maybe just a little bit of sunshine. Spotty showers tomorrow, 20%. Saturday looks dry. Sunday, with the front, about a 30% chance for showers and maybe even an isolated thunderstorm. Around the rest of Texas, these are the currents, 50s and 60s statewide. All the clouds are down here. That's why they've been able to warm up in North Texas while we have not. High pressure kind of centered over the Arklatex. It moves out. Warm front moves through late tomorrow into Saturday, bringing warmer temperatures back in. But alas, here's the next front. Not here Saturday, not quite here Sunday morning, but by Sunday afternoon it'll push through and cool things off once again as the next high pressure area builds into the valley. So for tonight across the area, we expect to stay in the upper 40s, and there could be isolated drizzle mainly in the lower valley. Then tomorrow back up to 83. That's tomorrow. Tomorrow 67. Saturday 83. That'll be the much warmer day. Let's take a look. 67, 83. 78 with the next front on Sunday, and then look at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Another front, we start to warm up again, and then another front, we cool off and start the whole process over again. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.